Hi, it's me.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Hello, I'm live. And today we're gonna do Hello. I think he's a father to tiny scorplings, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
Good day. Tell them what species is it?
Heterometrus petersi, I think they're called.
Okay. So we have a tiny house for the scorplings, and we have a cocoa husk, sand, water ball, hides, and we will keep going and rehouse and we will try to catch the tiny monsters, aren't we?
Yes.
So let's do it. So let's start. Let me flip the screen so he knows what he's doing. So we're gonna use cocoa husk first as a base. Yes. So we're actually building a nursery or kindergarten for scorplings. They are so cute. Tiny and cute. The funny thing is that we bought her. You bought her.
I bought her a year ago. About a year ago. From a local expo.
Yes.
Here in Malmö.
And he actually said that he doesn't want to have.
I didn't want the female. There was one male and one female for sale. And he said that the male had already been sold, but they hadn't been picked up yet. And I asked him if they had any more males, but they did not. And
So
I had to make a choice.
Yeah, and the biggest fear he had that he read was that the females may or may not be pregnant.
So this one was obviously pregnant, and they're by a captive court.
Yeah, and maybe we can move it more in the middle. But the thing is that we had her for almost a year.
Almost a year. And about a week ago, I was doing everyday checkups, and I found she had a whole bunch of scorplings on her back.
I can insert the picture somewhere here. So that was funny. His worst nightmare became reality.
It kinda did.
Yeah, maybe you put the height now.
Yes, so we have
loads of heights. And this is the nursery just for a month or two. We will see how fast they grow. We don't really know. And we are moving in 2 months, so
it's easy just to be able to keep check.
Yeah, and so she will not eat them.
Just to.
What do you know? Funny facts about this scorpion. Where is it from?
It's an Asian forest scorpion, Heterometrus petersi, I think they're called. And they have no problem in being in groups. So
because they are not territorial, right?
They are not territorial and not like overly cannibalistic, according to the internet.
Yeah, the sources are from the books, and the books are from humans' observation, I guess.
So we'll see. But so the scorplings should be able to be together.
But we do have to separate them after they jump off her back.
Yes,
because
from the
there
mother.
is a risk that she will eat them actually, because she's hungry after.
Yes.
Yeah.
And she
But
has been fed.
She has been fed, yes. But after that, when we separate her, she will get some really, really nice. Or maybe this one is too big actually, huh? What do you think? Do you want a smaller one?
A bit too big, probably. Yes.
I will try to. Or should I take one from? Yeah, from her.
Okay, like so. Put in a few stones in the water bowl so they won't drown. Or minimize the risk of drowning. Like so.
We do everything to keep them alive.
Yes.
So we switch places a little bit because we don't really know how to do it. And here is the family Scorpio. So we will try. We have tweezers with sponge to get them out, and we will try to remove. I will try to remove all logs and stuff, so they will not disturb hunting. So we will see. Wait, maybe I will show him before. Yeah, extra light. Oh, can you see them? So cute. Some are grayish already. Oh,
They have molted ones. So.
yeah, the molted ones, so they are ready to get out. And Carolina from Carolina's Tarantulas gonna get one. Maybe I will get one too, huh? Can I get one?
Maybe.
Can I? Oh, really? Such nice. Flip. Yeah, do it. So he will dive in and I will try to maneuver with the camera in different ways, and yeah. So we will see. So keep going. Love.
Love.
Love, keep going. Keep doing. Yes, you can, of course.
So I can see what I am doing.
Yeah, we can have a half-half. That's a good idea. Look at the mess, guys.
She is very defensive.
She's defensive, yes. But remove the log, I think. So she'll maybe crawl out and we will leave her in the box. Then you can see the tiny ones. You can. Should I put the lights for you?
So far. Remove this. Check if there are any spiderling, not spiderlings, scorplings. On it. None.
You can leave it in.
None. Ser ut här. Hur ser det ut under till här? Does it look like underneath?
I don't know, because everyone is the over. Can you shine on the babies? Over there. Oh, look, guys. Creepy crawly. They are really cute. Oh well, so take your pinchers. I don't see it. Here, yes. Let's see.
I'm gonna guess that they will stick to it instead.
Do we have it? Yay! Can I see it? Stop. Wait. inspect. Oh, so pretty. I can see lots of hairs. I think this is the hair. Yes, so we
We are back.
We are back.
We are back.
And we are continuing. I just said or asked Nick if I can interview him right now, but he said that it's not really time.
Priority.
Not the priority right now. Sorry. I'm so excited though. Tell me what you feel. How is it? I mean, because now we are doing the mother.
No, we're doing the
Aren't we?
mother and the rest.
Mother and the rest. Let me see. Can I see them? Yeah. Oh, they are quite few there. Wait, let me focus. Let me focus. Let me focus. Yes. That's quite amazing. Guys, this is really, really amazing. So kick her out.
Kick you out.
Oh, wait. Get up. A little bit. It's a very nice angle from there. Oh wow, that's so cool. Wow.
We have stowaway.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's too bright. We had a roach. Running.
Okay, there is
Okay.
a whole
So-
bunch.
You have to kick them out. Anyhow, if you take the
Rather than you can put the log inside maybe. But the mother will let it go. Have to fight. You think so? But if you take her from the back with a pincher, with a pincette, yeah? Because we see her bum. That's what she will flip her up. Yeah, but if you take it quick, so let's see who's quicker. Try not to quick. Take it easy, slow and easy. Goes through. Slow and easy, easy peasy, and she's flipped. No. I let her out, she will run, you see. And you will lose her. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race. Slow and steady wins the race.
Yes.
Okay. Well, I believe in you. Should I put the light? So guys,
Leave the house.
should see me controlling the camera, controlling my boyfriend, controlling the situations, the lights.
Good job.
They are so cute.
Boop. And
Oh, she's not giving it to. Oh, look, she has lots of molds on her back. Oh, yeah, she's coming out, guys. She's coming out. Or is she? Yes. She's almost. But she is not easy to deal with right now. But my man, he's so careful. Oh. Did she puke? Puke? No, oh no, she's just green. So, we are done with the rehousing, aren't we?
yes.
Or not rehousing.
Transfer.
We transfer. Move. So, I'm very happy to announce that we have a SCORPLING kindergarten. Yay! They are really cute, but it was a journey. It's lots of stuff we didn't think of. And now we know. To the next time. Don't you think?
Yes.
But here they are, the tiny babies. I think we got 10, 12 something?
10 or 12.
10 or 12 something.
We will make an official head count. We can make an official head count later soon.
Yeah, maybe we can, yeah, sure. What you doing now?
Now I'm just refurbishing her house again.
Yeah, and what we've learned that to have a log in in hole, it's very nice, but very unpractical if you have scorplings hiding inside. So half of it will be fine. Don't you think? It was
Yes.
hard. It was really hard.
Yes.
She's quite pretty, may I say.
Since I haven't picked up a scorpion before, I use my tweezers. Maybe.
You may try.
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna kill you, honey. Yes. Just fast grip. She already have a... Yes. Uh-oh. That went good, but she's home now. It's always so different with different animals, how to... Oh, she found her hide. No!